Hey, entertainment enthusiasts, here are 3 hot topics you can't miss today. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce are America's new royal couple. Comedian John Oliver joked their upcoming wedding might outshine the actual royals, highlighting just how much cultural buzz this power duo is generating. Venice Film Festival is serving up major fashion moments. A-listers like Kate Blanchett and George Clooney arrived by water taxi, turning heads with their red carpet looks and proving Venice is still the place for Hollywood glamour. Ripa hits a major milestone on daytime TV. She's kicking off her 25th season on Live with Kelly and Mark, reminiscing about her favorite anxiety-inducing kid guest moments and cementing her status as a talk show icon. Can't get enough celeb news? Drop a comment with your favorite story and follow for more daily updates.